tapes in the dead of night, pixel worlds glowing soft and bright. Joystick in hand, heart in the game. Every sprite I touch calls my name. Every beat the story told, every level worth its gold. Commodore 64 is my life tonight. Retro magic in the screen, soft light, laughing through the pixel streams, living inside my 8-bit dreams. Sprites dancing across the screen, stamped from a digital dream. Cartridges stacked like treasured gold, stories I'll never outgrow, never sold. Every beat a story told, every level worth its gold. Commodore 64 is my life tonight. Retro magic in the screen, soft light, laughing through the pixel streams, living inside my 8-bit dreams. Even now I hear the call.